How to check uptime on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in System Status and search for it. When you find the app from the results, make sure to download it if it isn't already downloaded. Then, tap on Open as shown. Once you're here, you can get an overview of your system status such as the battery status, storage usage, CPU usage, and more. Go to the System Update section below. As you can see, you can view both the uptime and boot time information from here. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily check uptime on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.